C4 kadiyadu. C5 for the liver. C10, yes, we can use. C15 we can use. So these will be the medicines in the structural group of the uh, digestive system, functional and the structural group of the digestive system. Okay, now so far any doubts, anybody want to clarify anything?
And can you please summarize the functional and structural medicine for the digestive
Okay,
system?
okay ma'am. Now what I'll do is, yes. So for the for the functional group, okay, we have S1, okay, S1 is general, S2 is for gallbladder, especially for gallbladder. We are taking only the digestive organs, okay. We can use S5, which is for liver. We can use S10 for the gastric system. We can use S11 for the vomiting, which is again the gastric system. We can use S12, which is for large intestine. We can use S12, which is for the large intestine. Okay, this is in the functional group. Now we have the structural group. We have the structural group. In the structural group, we have what? C1, you can use it directly. You can use it C1 as directly. Then you can use C2. You can use C5. Then you can use C6 now. You can use C10. You can use C13, not 13. You can use C15. All right. So C1, C2, C5, C10, and C15. You can use in the structural. All right. Okay. So we will revise till here. Okay. You all study till here, and Saturday, Sunday we will take a break. Okay. We will have a class on Monday again, same 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay. Is that okay?
Sir, now you can send your GPay details now, sir, so that we can make the payment.
Yes, ma'am. I'll send you the GPay details. Today I'll send you the
post
GPay
the group.
details.
You can post in the group.
Yes, ma'am. I'll post in the group. No problem. Sure. So option is open. If you want to pay fully, pay fully. If you
Okay.
went half, no problem at all. If you still want to pay after class also, no problem at all. Because we have joined us into one Electrohomeo family. Things will keep going on. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
I will send you in the group the details now.
Okay, sir.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you. Take care, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Aniket, tell me.
that's what, sir. Yesterday I sent you about a case, no, about my mother-in-law.
Yes,
Just want
yes,
to how to
Aniket.
go about it, sir.
Now, see, there are
Whenever you
two
are free.
things. No, there are two things. We'll share maybe 5 minutes, 2 minutes.
Things are exited.
I think by mistake he exited.
Hmm?
By mistake, sir,
Yeah,
exited.
He
and
joined
fine.
again. He joined again.
Hmm. Who is that? Is he?
Now, let me present the screen. Okay. Present screen, start presenting, start now. Bangalore EH group. See, this one, right? Aniket have presented. Wheezing issue from very long time.
Yes,
Tried
sir.
with allopathy and Ayurveda, getting relief. That's all. I'm providing healings. So Aniket is doing healing. Now here migraine also. So when I work on migraine, we'll go with the liver first. We'll try to understand why the lungs are disturbed. So wheezing
Okay.
issue first is, let us go directly to the medical point of view, the structure part. We have to just find out Okay, how is she, like from when it is there for them? First point, how long it's been for them? Okay, and
Okay.
when what if they do, they get relieved? If they
Okay.
have to take inhaler or nebulizer or allopathy medicine or Ayurveda medicine, what is relaxing them? This is first point, physical point. Second point we need to understand, is she has a is she has a tendency that she is generally silent, start storing her emotions inside, she will not be reciprocating much. Two. Third point in wheezing, third point in wheezing, third point in wheezing is, now you have to check her navel pulse whether it is displaced up or not. If the navel pulse is not there in position, then also they will land up with wheezing. They will be taking medicine for wheezing for years and years, but they will never get a result. So when the disturbances is from the naval system, so just by giving the digestive medicines S10, L1, and then electricities B, that will be taken care. We just need to find out how is her gastric system, what is she constipated, all right, about their emotions, and how long the problem is. You just get these details, update in the group. We will try to solve it in the group itself. I will give you the formulas so you can
Sure.
prepare from your kit. And
Hmm.
one special medicine I can send it from the Chennai. There is one medicine which I
Okay.
prepare with the plant of Lobela inflata, which is especially for the lungs, along with
Okay.
our EH formula. That one medicine I can send it. The rest of the medicine you can prepare it once you get the kit to yourself.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Sir,
sir. Sure.
you
Thank
Sir,
you.
were
Yes, ma'am.
talking about
sir,
naval pulse.
Yes, ma'am.
So that part I'm not aware of it.
Even
How
I am
to
not aware, ma'am. Somehow it came out of the mouth. This is what falling into the pit and digging the pit on your own. Ma'am, I'll share. No, once you are into the group, you will be learning. See, I will not say like EH is best, but executing the electrohomeopathy properly is the best. Healing wise, Aniket will start working on her solar plexus chakra. See, naval pulse acupuncture la irukke. In acupuncture, it is a very important concept, naval setting.
yes, that is there, but yeah, we do that moxa over there.
Yes, my moxa over Ren 8 is
Yeah,
one. When you do Ren
salty.
12, press the Ren 12 and check it up. If you press the Ren 12 and if the point is hurting, then the naval pulse is shifted up. If you
But
press
generally,
ST,
rent 12 generally have seen people have pain over there.
because the digestion will be weak. Even a
Yeah,
slightest digestion, Ren 12 will be weak.
yes.
Or press ST25, stomach 25, press and check. If they have a problem, then the navel pulse is shifted to the right or left. That
Mm,
is called navel shifting concept. So you
yes.
have to bring the navel back into position. My
Mm,
video is coming on Sunday, YouTube video. I will share with you how to
okay.
set the navel pulse in simple methods.
Mm.
So Lalita ma'am's answer will be there by Sunday.
I have a patient already with that problem, sir. I will tell the result also.
Yes, ma'am. Sunday I will just guide you, ma'am. It will be easy, simple videos, simple techniques how to set your navel pulse.
Sir,
Some
you
Mala
asked this
posted it.
regarding wheezing.
Yes, ma'am.
If the person is having tendency of being silent or not reciprocating, how does that come into picture and how to treat that?
Silent and not reciprocating. Which one, ma'am?
We were discussing about this wheezing and migraine problem just now.
Hmm.
The first question we came, first analysis we came up like for how long it is there and which medicine is relaxing her. The
Hmm.
second was you are talking like if she is having the tendency of being silent and if she is not reciprocating much. So
Hiding, storing of emotions. When you
So
store
how-
emotions, yeah, storing of emotions, ma'am. When you store emotions, you will not be able to open up. And respiratory passage is one area you need to open up very easily. Okay. Okay, ma'am. So have a happy weekend. We'll meet up Monday again. So for any doubt, please let me know. Any in the group itself.
Excuse me, sir, one more thing.
Ah, yes,
Hello.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Video. Hello.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
Pala posted a video regarding the skin problem.
Yes,
It
yes.
appears to be psoriasis. Please, can you guide her?
I will just see that. I'll just see that in the WhatsApp and I'll guide you, ma'am. Now. Okay.
So
Sure,
Monday
sure.
same time.
Monday, same time, 5 o'clock.
Okay, sir. Monday, please explain about the kit to everybody, sir.
Which one? Kit.
The regarding kit, yeah.
Yeah, I will explain everything. Monday, see, Monday we will be doing some knowledge on the bones and joints, some knowledge on the arthritis system,
Okay.
and we will go with one worm, other groups of the medicines available.
Okay.
Okay, and then tentatively the explanation part goes over on Monday.
Okay.
Tuesday will be the medicines,
Dilution.
preparations, how to prepare dilutions, how
Okay.
to prepare acute, subacute dosages, all those things.
Okay.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice weekend.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Krishna, ready? I'm free.